Is that all four of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do I do now?
Well, you got undo. Take all the wheel nuts out now.
With this?
Yep.
Okay. How did you spin it? Jeez.
Yeah, keep going. The wheel's going off balance now, so go.
Oops. Oh, got it. Last one. I can't spin it as fast as you.
Yeah, just
Oh.
bit of force behind it. Got to hold this part straight with the wheel nut as well.
Okay. That's better. Yeah. Last one. Okay. What do I do now?
So grab the tyre wheel here and lift it as you take it off.
Here?
Yep.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, just land it on the ground there somewhere.
Right.
Lay it down there.
This is a dirty
I'm not gonna school.
Okay. Yep. Get the tyre behind you. Now you understand why I look like the way I look.
Oh. This side on?
Yep.
So I have to line it up.
That's right. So you got to get down so you can see it.
Oh no.
And try and line up the wheel with the wheel nuts.
It's really heavy. Oh. To the left, to the right. Move it down.
Where are we?
Think.
Oh, down there. Okay.
Oh, down a little bit. Down.
It'll be easier if I look.
Oh. Okay. Swap places.
Okay.
You have a dinner sausage? You have a dinner sausage?
There you go.
Oh, now put it back on.
Yep.
Oh,
This is good exercise.
This is like a whole workout.
And we'll put them all on by hand first.
Oh,
There's
okay.
2 more.
Cheers! Little riddle. Little one.
And today's 2nd of December, 2019.
Okay. I can add this to my resume. Knows how to change a tire.
No, he's not ready yet.
Oh, push it on.
So yeah, it's still.
Okay.
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Can I use this now? Oh.
Daddy, looks a big boat.
Okay.
There's a big boat.
Okay, so now you got to go here. Do that one first.
And go right. Ooh.
Yeah, clockwise. So put them back on.
It's a hammer.
Okay, now this is the part you need to learn. You don't do the next nut. You do the next one across.
Oh, to make it even?
That's right. So it's balanced on. You know, it helps if you're finding it hard to do that. Bring it back around.
Oh, okay.
There
That's
you go.
actually easy.
Yeah.
The more you know.
Ouch. 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 Daddy. No shoulder.
Okay, now just go over each one again of equal turn strength to make sure that they're all equally tight. Yep.
I think I can tighten this one anymore.
And that's it.